Hello everyone, this is the Kapok team, and today we are going to go over the steps that are required to create an account on Kapok so that you can use it wherever you want, whenever you want. So let's get started. This is the screen I'm on, and you only see the screen the first time you install Kapok. Before I go forward, I have to mention that if you do not know how to install/uninstall the app, then you should look at our channel and you will find that we have videos about these topics. From this point forward, we assume that you know how to install/uninstall. Now that is required for this particular tutorial, but it's great to know in general. Alright, so I'll start by clicking next. So I'll start by clicking next so that I can reach the login/registering screen. So let's keep going. And here we are. So I'm assuming that I don't have an account. In that scenario, I will go and click on the button called create an account right below the login button. When you click on that button, you will be redirected to this page. This page is required to make your account on Kapok. You will be required to have a working email and a medium strength password. The strength of the password is determined by how many characters are there in the password and how many different types of characters you use. For example, a password with a symbol, a letter, and at least one number is generally considered a medium strength password. But if it's long enough, it will also be considered medium strength. Alright, so let's get started by creating our account. And I'll use after you have typed in your email, you need to type in the password. Now, I'm not sure if the password I typed was the one I want. What can I say? I have big fingers. So it is highly possible that I mistyped it. And in case you want to check your password and see if you typed the correct password, just click the I button. And as you can see, that is clearly not what I wanted to type. So I'll correct it. The I button is really helpful in confirming your password and successfully typing the correct password so that it's easier to log in later. We all know how hard it is when you have to contact the customer support just to change your password. So just remember, click the I button. When it shows a slash sign, that means you cannot see your password. And when it doesn't have a slash sign, you can see your password. So with that done, you have to confirm your password too. Once you're done, as you can see, I have a medium strength password. Now, like I said, you don't need to have a symbol, a number, and a letter in the same password. You can just make it long enough. And that way, it will still be a medium strength password. Though, it is generally advised to have all those three in a password so that it's harder for people to guess and log into your account. Alright, with that being said, let's get started with the registering process by clicking register. To reiterate, you have to click register after you have filled all the information that is required by this page. Once you click register, it will send an email to the email account you have given or typed in on the previous page. As you can see, I just received an email. Now, you cannot, unless you confirm your account, you cannot proceed with the profile setup, as the verification will fail. In that scenario, and usually most of the scenarios, you will have to confirm your email by just going to your Gmail account or whatever email account you put down in the previous page and just click the link that was given. What this will do is that it will take you to a page like this, which will give you a notification saying your email has been verified. Now, you can just go back and just proceed with your profile setup. Now, I do have to mention that even though I got in pretty quickly, it might take some time depending on your network. If the app, how fast the app will check your verification, it might take at least one try before you're able to get in. It's totally normal, and that's basically happens if there's either a slow internet connection or there's a lot of traffic on the internet. So I would advise, if you fail once, please do try again. And if it still fails, you can always let us know on our Google Forms page, where we take all the bugs and all the reports about the app. All right, let's continue on with the profile setup. Now, a profile is necessary in a team, and well, the reason for that is because that is the only way people will know you on the team, unless you know the people beforehand, but we are assuming you do not know them. In this scenario, a profile is really necessary because then they will know how to address you and what can you do. It will be really helpful in assigning tasks to people when they have a full profile. So it is advised that you have a full profile before you go forward. So I'll type in my full name. My occupation, my contact information, and about me. Once I finish my profile, I'll click Profile Finished, and that's it. You have created your account. Now, as you see, there's a page here that says Join Team or Create a New Team. We will be covering this in another video. And I think this is a good point to stop the video. We do not want to overload you with a lot of information in a single video. There will be more videos about these steps so that you can successfully create or join a team and then successfully operate Kapok. With that being said, I would take my leave. This is the Kapok team, and see you in the next video. Thank you.